For most of us, the kitchen is the heart of the home, so obviously it deserves a lot of our design attention. One of the most important things to consider off the top, however, is of course how it looks and feels. In this modern kitchen, I've chosen to go with a flat panel slab oak door stained an ebony black. I've also chosen to add very minimal black handles, which gives the entire kitchen a very contemporary feel. If a more traditional kitchen is what you're after, look for details like paneled doors and statement hardware. I've chosen to go with a rich dark gray. However, by adding some upper cabinets with glass fronts, it still keeps everything feeling light and airy. When your space allows, it can be a beautiful option to extend your kitchen cabinetry right into your breakfast area. In this location, I've decided to create two huge pantries, which gives you an enormous amount of storage and an ideal surface in between to set up a bar when you're entertaining. Another prime storage opportunity is a bank of pot and pan drawers. From going from a 4 or 5 bank to a 3 bank, the lower 2 drawers are extra deep, which gives you an enormous amount of storage for your pots, pans, and small appliances. I'm Andrew Pike for Empire Communities, and always remember, when you're planning your dream kitchen, it not only needs to look beautiful, it needs to work for your lifestyle as well.